Good morning, students. My name is Imanshu Manral, and I'm your new maths teacher. Today, we are going to learn how to represent under root 2, under root 3, the irrational numbers on a number line by using compass and scale. Okay, watch the video carefully and thoroughly, and submit your work on your homework group. Fine?
3 on the number line. Okay, so let's start with that. First step, we draw a line. Okay, we draw a line. So this is line L. Then you mark one point here. This is 0. Mark this point as O. Okay. After this, on the right side, we are going to take one more point. Any distance you can take. Okay, suppose we are taking now, so this is 1 2 3, we are taking, say, 3 centimeter we are taking. Okay, this is 3 centimeter, and again next 4 5 6, this is also 3. So this distance is 3 centimeter, but we are writing it as 1, and this is we are writing as 2. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. This is 1 unit. Name this as point A. Here we have taken, we can write on the scale 3 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay, you have taken the scale 3 centimeter equal to 1 unit. This is 3 centimeter. Okay. Next step, at this point A, you are going to draw perpendicular. Take the protector, and you are going to draw perpendicular at this point. You can do that. Now the same distance OA, which is 1 unit, we are going to take the same distance on this perpendicular. Okay, same distance will take. So keep the rounder on point A, take the distance of 1 unit, okay, which is 3 centimeter, whatever you have taken, and you cut an arc here. So I repeat once again, keep the rounder on point A, take this distance, and you cut an arc. Okay, now name this point as point, this is point B. Okay, this is point B. Now after this, draw seg OB. This is OB, and this distance is root 2. Okay, because it triangle OAB by Pythagoras theorem, OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. So OB square is 1 square plus this distance is also 1. Okay, 1 square plus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1 2, and this you get root 2. After this, now to represent this root 2 on this line, keep the rounder on point O and take distance O to B. You can see that. Take distance O to B, and from this point O you draw an arc on the line. You can see that. Draw the arc on the line. So this you get as root 2. This is root 2. Okay, name it point P. So this is how we got this root 2 irrational number on this line L. On a number line we got this root 2. Okay. Now let's go for root 3 now. Now we go for root 3 on this point now. On this point P, that is root 2, you draw one more 90 degree now. You can see that. Draw 90 degree at point P. Okay, and here also mark 90 degree symbol perpendicular. After this, now take the same distance, this 1 unit. Can you see that? Take the same distance of that 1 unit. See this 1 unit distance. Same distance of 1 unit. Rounder on point P. Rounder on point P and mark the arc. Okay. This distance of A to B. Okay. Same arc you can cut here. This is point C now. And now draw sec O to C. Okay, draw sec O to C. Well, this is root 3. This is root 3. And now this root 3 we have to represent on this line. We have to represent on this line. So take rounder on point O and take distance from O to C. You can see that? Take distance from O to C. Rounder on point O and distance from O to C, and from this C you make an arc here. Okay, you make an arc from this point. Well, this is root 3 on the number line. This is root 3. Name it as point Q. Okay. Point P represents root 2 on number line, and point Q represents root 3 on number line.